The Chef's Delight – Top 7 Restaurants Owned by Celebrity Chefs. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Popping Luxury. Number 7. Nobu, New York. For as much salmonella poisoning a person is likely to get from sushi, that doesn't deter many people. It sure did not deter Chef Nobu Matsuda from opening one of the most opulent and distinguished sushi restaurants on the planet. Named after the Japanese chef, Nobu, New York was formed in 1994 through a partnered business venture of Nobu Matsuda, actor Robert De Niro, film producer Mayor Tepper, and restaurateur Drew Niepoint. Nobu entered the chef spotlight after emigrating from Japan to LA, where, in 1987, he opened his first restaurant called Matsuda, which is where De Niro first spotted him. Since then, they opened restaurants in Europe, Asia, Africa, the Middle East, Mexico, the Caribbean, and across America. Nobu Malibu frequently hosts celebrity guests, such as Miley Cyrus, Selena Gomez, Taylor Swift, Jennifer Lopez, Rosie Huntington, and many others. Number 6. Maud. Maud Restaurant was founded in Beverly Hills, California in 2014 by celebrity chef Curtis Stone. Born in Melbourne, Australia, Stone is recognized not only as a television personality, but is also an established author. Having been taught the art of cooking by his grandmother, Stone went on to cook at some of the top Australian restaurants before moving to London, where he enhanced his cooking skills. He's been on numerous cooking programs in Australia, the UK, and the United States, and is especially known for his role as host and judge on Top Chef Masters. Although designed with a modest 25 seats, the Maud is always booked, reserved for celebrities who live in the Beverly Hills area. Number 5. Amalfi. Located in Caesars Place of Las Vegas, Bobby Flay's Italian restaurant, Amalfi, is a wildly popular food spot on the Las Vegas Strip. You may have heard of this charismatic celebrity chef on cooking channels, or possibly may have remembered him from his shows Throwdown with Bobby Flay and Beat Bobby Flay. He had several celebrities on his show, such as Tony Hawk, Chrissy Teigen, Jason Biggs, and Anthony Jackson. He was also a chef contestant on the reality cooking show Iron Chef, as well as a television personality on Food Network for many years. Flay closed down Mesa Grill in Vegas in 2020 to replace it with his first attempt at an Italian restaurant, Amalfi. Since its grand opening on June 18th, it's been doing excellently despite the pandemic. Number 4. Babbo Restaurant. Like most other celebrity chefs, Mario Francesco Batali is the co-owner of many restaurants, has written legendary cookbooks, and is praised for his chef skills in the kitchen. In 1998, Batali, along with his business partner, Joe Bastianish, opened the classic Italian and modern Italian-American cuisine, Babbo. Batali has also been a contestant on Iron Chef and has made numerous appearances even after being dropped from the show. His fame sprang from New York, where the first Babbo restaurant was opened. Its success caused the founding of many other restaurants, such as Lupa, 1999, Otto, 2003, Del Posto, 2005, and a chain of luxury Italian supermarkets called Italy. However, due to multiple cases of sexual misconduct, Mario Batali lost his shares in the massive empire he built with the Bastianish family. Number 3. Dubois Restaurant. There are a few things we know Quentin Tarantino for, and they are blood, gore, and vampires, alluding to From Dusk Till Dawn with George Clooney. But one of the things we may not know about Tarantino is his love for Asian food. Tarantino is a successful film director, screenwriter, producer, author, actor, and co-owner of the Dubois Restaurant with his partner, Jenny Kwak. The restaurant specializes in Korean cuisine and offers homemade meals such as seafood pancakes, braised pork ribs, spicy squid salutes, and Korean barbecue. The restaurant is set up in such a way that the customer has the option of a cooking or non-cooking table. To make your dining experience even more special, Quentin Tarantino often makes spontaneous appearances on any given night. Number 2. Nola Restaurant. Known not only for its mouth-watering Southern comfort food, but Nola Restaurant is also a favorite because of its Southern hospitality and family-friendly atmosphere. The critically acclaimed restaurant has been opened since 1992 and rests in the heart of New Orleans' French Quarter. Nola is owned by perhaps one of the founding celebrity chefs in the cooking industry, Emeril Lagasse. No doubt, he holds his own as one of the greats among internationally known chefs, even winning the National Best Recipe Award in 2003. Nola offers a fusion of traditional Creole, Acadian, and Southern cuisines with a modern twist. Emeril has also appeared on Iron Chef and has hosted a slew of his own television shows since the 1990s. Number 1. Almanov. If you've ever heard of the reality TV series Wahlburgers, then you may have an idea who Paul Wahlberg is. He is the proud owner of Almanov, a restaurant with Italian and Mediterranean blended flavors, which he owns with his brothers Mark and Donnie and a family friend named Ed St. Croix. The restaurant holds a spacious 143-seat waterfront dining area, which is just right for large parties. The name was given to the restaurant, Alma, was borrowed from the actual name of the family's matriarch, Alma. Paul's reality TV show, Wahlburgers, appears on A&E and is considered a hit show, which solidifies his place among top celebrity chefs. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.